At Dolby, we're passionate about sound, and we come to work every day to change the world, both in the cinema and for consumers in the home. Most recently, we revolutionized the theatrical experience with Dolby Atmos.
It's immersive, it's natural, it's lifelike, and it's three-dimensional. And it brings a new reality to the movie-going experience. With the introduction of object-based audio, a Dolby Atmos soundtrack can envelop the audience with sound from all directions, even directly overhead.
The traditional way that sound was mixed was with channels, where a specific audio channel would go to a specific speaker. With object-based audio, the sound is represented as individual audio objects, and they can be positioned anywhere in three-dimensional space.
Dolby Atmos gives content creators an entirely new palette for which to design audio soundtracks. It brings a new sense of reality, a new sense of entertainment to the cinematic experience.
In less than 2 years, more than 80 first-run movies feature a Dolby Atmos soundtrack. Now Dolby is ready to bring this experience to the home.
This is the most revolutionary technology that we have brought to the home since the introduction of surround sound more than 20 years ago. Key to reproducing the height plane is the introduction of speakers above the listener.
We recognize that that's not practical for very many people. So we invented a new type of speaker that actually reproduces that height experience from a speaker that sits on the floor. That brings object-based audio to the consumer.
By combining signal processing with a unique speaker design, we can accurately reproduce audio objects in the height plane above the listener.
Dolby Atmos-enabled AV receivers and speakers will transform your home into a lifelike soundstage.
Audio will move above, around, and sometimes even through you.
We're excited to tell you more about this amazing new technology. But for now, sit back and join us as we introduce you to the Atmos experience.